Hello guys, this dictation is Kailash Chandra Volume 1, transcription back of 2. Dictation speed is 80 words per minute, starting in 5 seconds left. Start. Undoubtedly, now when we are going to have a very great amount of expenditure, we might have a greater amount of deficit, and we would have to find out ways and means of trying to meet our capital expenditure. Some members have pointed out that deficit financing is good. Others have pointed out that it is poison. One honorable member who preceded me pointed out that it could not be taken like a tonic. Now I am not willing to enter into the merits of deficit financing or dismerits of deficit financing in an academic spirit. The time was now come when we should face realities. I do not suggest that we have to indulging deficit financing, because without indulging deficit financing it would not be possible for us to indulge in capital expenditure on such a large scale. But when we are talking of the scope of deficit financing, I would like to place before the House of the Finance Minister the two great limitations which face us. The first limitation that faces us is that concerning of internal price level. The Honorable the Finance Minister referred to the cost of living. He said that he was going to keep a watch over the cost of living so that it may not shoot up within a short period and make a mess of plans of capital development. But therefore is another limitation which has also to be borne in mind, a limitation which has not received as much notice as it should have done in all the discussions that have taken place on deficit financing. That limitation is the internal limitation, the limitation which arises on account of our balance of payments positions. I think this is a important, Mr. Deputy Speaker, as the internal price level, and I should like to elaborate that particular point a bit more, because I feel that a time will shortly arrive when we might have either to reconsider our policy, or might even have to leave the Sterling Club of which we are a member. The second serious limitation is as serious as the first. What would be the consequence of deficit financing on our balance of payments. The finance minister, in his budget speech, points out that so far as the balance of payments position is concerned, they have now, whether it is by accident or design, a favorable balance, and they have contributed about rupees 63 crores to the dollar pool during the past 6 months. But the moment we indulge in deficit financing, we have to be prepared for running of our balance of payments. Full stop.